It is so pathetic when you put on a nice, gorgeous outfit, wear a very beautiful makeup that shines, but your hair leads you nowhere. It just breaks your trust. When it comes to building a look, hairstyling is the toughest part you can ever think of. Especially when you have a thin hair with an oval face like me, it becomes more difficult to come up with a hairstyle which can hold the volume for longer time. And also you need to make sure that your face doesn't look bigger than your body. Using heat appliances like heating brush not only volumizes your hair, it damages it as well. So it's advisable to avoid such appliances so that your hair stays healthy. After a lot of research and experiment, I found out only three tools that can change your hair from this to this. You don't need heat or multiple appliances. You don't need to spend on a lot of money on anything. Number three, it can be done at home. Hi guys, it's Shrestha Kundu. Welcome back to the comfy corner of the internet. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blow out your thin hair at home with three tools. So without wasting any more time, keep on watching this video.
The first step, that is gentle brushing, is extremely crucial in blowout. Brushing with proper tool like this wooden comb is very much helpful. It detangles the hair, it distributes oil for natural shine, it shapes the hair for a volume like a bouncy hair. I bought this comb from a local store, and you can find this type of comb online from Amazon, from Myntra, anywhere. So pick any wooden comb like this or a round shaped brush, that will work.
This is my hair after using this comb. Can you see the difference already? You can use any type of hair serum afterwards as a base, but I do not use serum often, so I'm gonna skip it. It's optional for you as well. Now let me introduce you to my best friend these days, and the hero product of this video is oops, sorry, the Velcro rollers. This is the hero product today, and this one is from Gub. And honestly, this is super good. This is so good. This is so good. I'm gonna tag the link of this roller in the description box, so you can check out if you want to purchase it, or you can find it from any local stores. Trust you me. And I have these hair pins from Amazon, so I'm gonna attach the link as well. Once you finish brushing your hair, draft a plan how you want the volume to be and where you want to set these rollers on.
First, you have to section out the places you want your rollers to set in. I set in my rollers on the 3 or 4 parts, like the front part and the front portion of the right side of my hair and the left side of my hair, and another one goes on the back side. So it's basically I use 3 to 4 rollers maximum. Another important tool is this round brush. You can use any heating round brush from Agaro or Philips, but since this video is all about no applying heat, and I do not use heat on my hair as well, so I do use this round brush to set my hair as a base, and also to curl my hair so that the rollers run smoothly.
I have seen in the videos that girls use such spray or dry shampoos on this roller so that it stays intact, but I do not have such dry shampoo or sprays. I do have this methi gel. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but if you have dry shampoo, you can use, or if you do not have, no worries. It's totally optional. So I have to wait for another 30 to 40 minutes so that I can go on to my another shoot. But as long as you can keep it like this, the blowout will be more gorgeous. It will give you more volume. Now it's time to unwrap these rollers. Let's reveal the final look in 3, 2, and 1. Can you see this? Look at this volume, look at this blowout. That's why I love doing my blowout with these rollers at home. You don't need any heat, you don't need anything, you don't need multiple brushes, wagera wagera. You just need these three tools and you are good to go. So bouncy blowout you can get just using these rollers. I have started using these rollers before Durga Puja even started, and I kid you not, this has changed my hairstyling game. Neither I had to go to the parlor nor I had to spend a lot of money on any heating appliances or any brushes, so it's a win win situation for me. And trust me, if you have a thin hair, these rollers are literally the game changer. We have reached at the end of the video, so I wrap my video here. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, share with your thin hair friends, and drop your thoughts on the comment section below. And if you want me to make more hairstyling hack or styling tips, drop your thoughts again. And in the next video, till then, stay tuned, stay healthy, and live gorgeously. Back up.